Hey there! Today, I'm going to share with you the process of creating a native stream tank landscape, where the perfect combination of sand and stones, along with the harmonious blend of water and light, gives birth to the beauty of natural scenery. First, let's start with the foundation, the sand and stones. I carefully selected a variety of stones, each with its unique shape, size, and texture. Some are big and rugged, looking like ancient giants that have stood the test of time. Others are small and smooth, as if they've been polished by the gentle caress of a long, flowing stream. I began to arrange these stones in the tank, imagining them as the mountains and cliffs in a real-world stream. I placed the larger stones at the back and sides to create a sense of depth and a natural boundary, just like the banks of a wild stream. Then, I filled the spaces between the stones with smaller ones, creating a more organic and uneven surface. It's like building a miniature world, where every stone has its rightful place. Next comes the sand. The sand I chose has a warm, golden color, which adds a touch of softness and a feeling of tranquility to the whole scene. I spread the sand evenly around the stones, filling in the gaps and creating a smooth transition between the different elements. It's like the sandy bottom of a clear stream, where little fish might swim and play. As I stand back and look at the completed native stream tank, I'm filled with a sense of accomplishment. It's not just a simple tank. It's a microcosmos, a slice of nature captured in a glass box. The perfect fusion of sand and stones, along with the harmonious blend of water and light, has truly recreated the beauty of a natural stream. Every time I look at it, I feel like I'm transported to a peaceful, wild stream, far away from the hustle and bustle of the modern world. And who knows what kind of little adventures might be happening in this tiny, self-contained world. Now, it's time to introduce the life-giving element, water. As I slowly poured the water into the tank, it rushed over the stones and sand, creating gentle ripples. The water filled the tank, turning the static arrangement of sand and stones into a dynamic and living ecosystem. The water reflected the light, creating a beautiful play of shadows and highlights on the stones and sand. It's as if a hidden world beneath the water's surface has suddenly been illuminated. The light is also a crucial factor in this creation. I installed a soft, white light above the tank. When the light shines down, it penetrates the water, creating a warm and inviting glow. The light dances on the water's surface, making it look like a twinkling starry sky. It also highlights the details of the stones and sand, bringing out their natural colors and textures.